You saw 0.5% of gain in the markets yesterday because of the power grid inflows, and today it is pure sentiment which really seems to be driving the currency on the higher side. So more than 0.5% up on your screens there. We are looking at 5-week highs for the rupee, and we have seen an intraday high of 61.52 as well. Well, as you were pointed out earlier on the show, it really has to do with the exit polls predicting BJP perhaps winning, and market participants and investors are looking at BJP as perhaps a business-friendly political party, and that's the reason you have seen this kind of a reaction coming in for the currency there. Having said that, you also have other reasons, like there have been dollar sales coming in from exporters and some banks, and that has been supportive. Take a look at the Indian equity markets. That has been on the higher side, also cheering the kind of exit poll that has come in, and that in sense also is supporting. You also have the fact that the foreign capital inflows have been sustainable. It has been a positive week all over because the CAD numbers from Friday also have been looking into the numbers, and that has been supportive in turn as well. Most of the bankers that we have been talking about say it is positive move coming in for the currency. The volumes are not so high, but having said that, 61.80, a breach of that does bring the rupee into a positive territory. 61.20, 60.80 on the higher side are now the next levels to watch out for the currency, but it is expected to be quite cautious ahead of the data that's coming out in the Europe and US in the markets in the evening today, and of course the election outcome on the weekend. Ahead of that, it is expected to be quite cautious.
It's very clear that it's just the exit polls. I mean, nothing happened between yesterday and today in terms of structural change, right? And I think as somebody else said, I mean, the FX market is the first place that people can take a position. So they did. I mean, this is just a knee-jerk reaction. It's great. You know, it's a good sign that people are optimistic, because the real problem we'd had over the last few years, other than the fact that the system was sort of clogged, was the fact that sentiment was down.